Another method we can use to divide is called synthetic division. I can only use synthetic division when my divisor is to the first degree, and your divisor is the bottom. So to set up synthetic division, first I make sure that every degree is accounted for. Degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. So I'm going to take the coefficients, which are the numbers in front of the x's, and line them up. So 2, -3, 4, 5. Synthetic division, I divide, but I leave a space in there. And I'm going to divide by the 0 of this. Okay, the divisor is x plus 2. So if I was to solve x plus 2, I would get x equals -2. So I'm going to put -2 right here. And here's how we do synthetic division. The first thing I'm going to do is bring down the first term. Then I multiply on the diagonal. 2 times -2 is -4. I add on the vertical. I multiply on the diagonal. -7 times -2 is a positive 14. I add on the vertical. I multiply on the diagonal. 18 times -2 is -36. I add, and I always box the last one because that's my remainder. What I have left, so if I started with a degree 3, then I have 2x squared minus 7x plus 18. So this piece in blue is always one less degree. So here's one way we can write our final answer. The divisor, which is this piece right here, the divisor is this right here. So I'm going to write it a little bit differently. So we're going to take the quotient, which is the answer, 2x squared minus 7x plus 18, the remainder minus 31 over the divisor, which is x plus 2. So there's lots of different ways. Just make sure you read what they're looking for. Let's try one more just for practice. This time I'm starting with a degree 2. So every degree is accounted for, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. So I'm going to write the coefficients, 5, 3, -2, divided by, I need to find the solution, so I subtract 1, so x equals -1, goes there. Bring down the first term. Multiply 5 times -1, which is -5. Add on the vertical, 3 minus 5 is -2. Multiply on the diagonal, that gives me positive 2. Subtract, so I have a remainder of 0, so it goes in evenly. So remember, if this is a degree 2, then this will be a degree 1. So I have 5x minus 2 with a remainder of 0. So there's my solution. Now the cool thing is if I take the remainder, since it came out with a remainder of 0, so if I take the factor that's left over and multiply it by the divisor, guess what I'm going to get? I'm going to get that piece right there.